After 2 days of losses, WTI futures opened the session in positive territory on a lot of apparent mixed signals. On the positive side, seeing the dollar hit 1.5 week lows was definitely supportive. Also, seeming lack of progress on the geopolitical front. Also, on the positive side, OPEC Plus meeting tomorrow, and it doesn't seem like there's much of a chance or hope that they will raise production more than expected. On the negative side, China and lockdowns, and Rystad Energy was quoted as saying that even the most recent Shanghai lockdown will affect demand by 200,000 barrels a day, and also any kind of news flow regarding an emergency release of supplies from the U.S. and its allies. In the mid-session, price action persisted, did probe on the upside, very narrow range on a mixed EIA report. Positive side, crude inventory is down to 3.5-year low. Cushing supply is also down slightly more than 1 million. On the negative side, gasoline stockpiles up 785,000 barrels. They were expecting a draw of 1.6 million. Also, distillate inventories up 1.4 million barrels. They were expecting a draw of 1.5 million. That said, inventories right now, week ending last week, 5-year average negative 13.3%, whereas gasoline stockpiles 5-year average just slightly above average. Going into options, I'm looking at CME C Group, CVOL, looking at May options right now, 1-month basis trading the 45th percentile, 3-month basis the 70th percentile. Today, at-the-money vols are lower. Skew is also lower as both the up variance and down variance are lower, but they're down equally. Option volume pretty strong today, 107 half calls followed by the 107 calls. On the put side, clustered between the 105 and 106 put area. Lastly, WTI E-micro mini futures volume continues to be strong. Yesterday we saw a volume of 244,489, open interest of 27,123.